Mauvais clothing review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're hunting for edgy, fashion-forward pieces, Mauvais clothing might catch your eye, but most people get this wrong by assuming all items are equally affordable or accessible. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects design, complexity, materials, and exclusivity. Prices range from for basic tees to for outerwear or limited edition collections. Seasonal drops may feature special fabrics or collaborations that increase cost. Shipping is typically domestically, and international shipping can vary. Returns are accepted within a specific period, but may include fees. What you get: unique, high-quality pieces that stand out, attention to detail, and occasionally limited-run items. What you give up: higher costs compared to mainstream brands and potential wait times for popular items. Sizing may vary, so checking charts is important. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Browse collections and note desired items. Step 2. Compare price versus design and material. Step 3. Factor in shipping and potential returns. Step 4. Read reviews for fit, comfort, and durability. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore sizing charts or rush purchases. Your item might not fit or sell out. The surprising truth is that Mauvais clothing balances creativity and quality, giving value when you understand pricing tiers. In conclusion, Mauvais clothing offers fashion-forward style at prices that reflect quality and exclusivity. Thoughtful selection and planning ensure your money translates into standout pieces you love.